Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to implement the lazy loading for the modules we have seen. Now in this video, we will see another not core concept. So the problematic, the thing where most developers will find problem in debugging is the usage of services in the modules. Why? Because as we have implemented the lazy loading and also the modules feature, so the implementation of the services will be little bit of different in the what I can say in the project. Why? Because the services right now we have used in the core module, so that is eagerly loaded module. So if you use like that in this one, so the same instance will be shared between all the features, okay, between all the sections feature modules. But if you mention the services in the feature modules, in the lazy loaded feature modules, then the scenario will be little bit of different. So what is the little bit of different, we will see in this video. So through the practical example we will see. So before continuing to this video, so if you are coming first time to my here, so please do support me by subscribing to my channel, so that I'll be posting more and more front-end development courses. Now here, coming to here, if you see this home and users and all those things, so let's create a dummy service. So here let me go to the services. Okay, let me create a file that is just dummy.service.ts. Okay, so this is the dummy.ts.service.ts. So export class, I am writing dummy service. Okay, so this is a dummy service. So I am having here log message one property, this is log message, and I am having here print log one method. So print log will take message of type string, and here what I will try to do is I will try to print the console.log message. Okay, then after what I will try to do console.log this dot log message. Okay, so I want to print the property also. Now what I will try to do is this dot log message, after printing I will assign that message to the property. Okay, so this is a simple class. Now what I will try to do, first method is services at the rate injectable, I will be using at the rate injectable. Here I will use provided in root. If you use this like this provided in root, so there is no need to mention this one in the app module. So now first I mention like this provided in root. Now what I will try to do is I will go to the app component. So this one is the main component, and here in this one I will try to inject the dummy service, private dummy service as dummy service. Okay, so dummy service, this one is a dummy service, and here in this ng on it, what I will try to do is dummy service dot print log. So I will call this print log, and I will tell that hello from app component. Okay, so I am showing the message hello from app component. In the same scenario, I will go to the users.component.ts. So this one is this one is lazily loaded. You need to remember that one. So this one is lazily loaded. So what I can do is here private dummy service. I will inject this dummy service. Okay, dummy dummy service. I will be injecting this dummy service in the ng on it. What I will try to do is I will try to print this dot print log. This dot dummy this dot dummy service dot print log of hello from, what I can say, hello from users component, something like this I will try to print. So I am printing like this. Okay, so what I have did, so I have created a new service dummy.service.cs, and I am injecting that one in the root. So that means there is no need to mention that one in the app module. So in the same scenario, app.component.ts, I am injecting that one, I am printing that one, and here in the users component I am using that one, and again I am printing. So let's see the output, what could be the behavior. So let's go to the home page. Okay, so I will refresh this one, and let's go to the home page. If I go to the home page, so we will see what is the console. So here you will be able to see the console. So if you see the console, hello from app component, so this is the message what we have sent. Before that, prior to that, the property log message is undefined. So it's correct. It's expected behavior only. So let me remove this one, and I am going to the users component. Okay, user section. If I click on user section, you'll be able to see that we are getting some error. So let me recompile it again. I think some problem is there. Let me recompile this. Now this one is compiled successfully. Okay. Now what I will try is, let me refresh it again. So sometimes my system need to do the ng survey again. So some problem is there. Okay. So now here we got the same thing, hello from app component and undefined. So first time there is no data save in the log message. So now after this one, hello from app component will be saved, right? So let's go to the users. So let's me remove this one and went to the users. Now you see prior to this one, so we have that allow from app component is there, right? So that means the same instance of this dummy service is shared between the home and also the users, from the app and also the users. That means the same instance is shared across the project. Now let's try to do what we'll try to do is, now I will try to remove this dummy service. Okay, not dummy service, injectable thing. So I can remove this injectable and I can go to the app.module. Okay, app.module.ts, and I will use the same thing here. So what we'll see what could be the output here. Providers, and I will use dummy service here. Okay, so I will inject the same thing here. So now I injected the same thing here as I injected the same thing. Okay, yeah, let it compile as I injected the same thing. So let us go to the code. Sorry, so let it refresh. Yeah, let it refresh. Yeah, it has successfully refreshed. Now we will see the code, how the what would be the output here. So let me go and refresh this code. Okay, now we got the same thing. So hello from app component undefined, we got the same thing. And now if I go to the users, if I remove this one and if I go to the users, same output we are getting. So that means mentioning that they are provided in root and mentioning in the app module is one and the same. Now what I will try to do is, so I will try to remove this one. Okay, I will try to remove this one, and what I will try to do, I will try to use this one in the core module. So core module is nothing but what we can say is, so eagerly loaded thing. So all the providers and all those things mentioned here. So what I will try to do here, I will try to use this dummy service. Okay, so I will try to use this dummy service. So this is the dummy service I will use, and let's try to refresh the code. So let's try to refresh the code. So we can go here and we go, and if it let it refresh, so I will go to the home page and refresh it again. Okay, so if I go to the home page and refresh it again, the same concept, hello from app component we got and undefined we got. Okay, fine. If I go to the users thing, so what could be the output? The same output you're getting. So that means mentioning the core module, app module, and injected input is very same. So why? Because core module we are using same thing, core module in the app module, right? So that is the reason indirectly we are mentioning in the app module only. So now what I will try to do is, so here here I will be using this provider dummy service, and let me remove this one in the core module. Okay, I will be removing this one in the core module, and I will use the same thing in the user module. So user module separately I will use it. So why I am using in the app module is because I am using in the app component, right? So that is the reason I am using here. I will use it in the lazily loaded user module. So we can mention like this also, providers, and I can write dummy service, right? So dummy service. So this like this also we can use. So now let's see what will happen in this one. In this scenario, what will happen? Let's see. So we have injected in the app module and also user module, and let's see what will happen. So if I go to the home page, so I will go to the home page. Okay, let me refresh this code. Okay, so now what we got, hello from app component. So that is the message we are sending, and prior to that, property is undefined. Okay, after that, this message will be assigned into the log message property. Now I will go to the users. If you see here, again we are getting undefined. Previously we used to get that app component. We came from the app component like that, it showed. But now it is showing undefined. That means the instance shared between the app component and the user component is not same. So the instances are different. So that means the instance we are getting in the app component and the new instance we are getting in the users component. So you need to remember this one. So that means you want to if you want to share the data between the two components means, then you will not be able to share this one. So the instance will be the different thing. So this is the behavior how you need to remember. And also another one what we can say is, for example, if we mention this one in the shared module, okay, so I can remove this one. So why can't we? So here also what I will try to do is, so I can remove this one. So here also we are using the shared module, right? So what I will try to do, so in app module we are using shared module, and in the user module also we are using shared module. Why can't we declare that one in the shared module, right? If we mention that one in the shared module, so here we can mention that one. So that is also correct only. Providers. So what I will try to do is dummy service, right? So dummy service. So I have injected the dummy service in the shared module. So this shared module will be injected in the app module and also in the user module. So both the places it is there. So then let's see what could be the output here. If you see the output here, so let me go to the home page again. Let me go to the home page. So now what is the output we are getting? So here again same we are getting hello from app component undefined we are getting, and if I go to the users component, again we are getting the undefined thing only. So what is happening here is, so the shared module what we have used here in the app module, so we will be having the same the instance, but in the user module as it is lazily loaded, so this one is lazily loaded. So the shared module what we'll be having is we will be getting the new instance there also. Okay, so you need to remember this one. So mentioning that one in the provided in root will behave differently, and mentioning in the lazily loaded modules mentioning the providers will behave differently. We'll be having a separate instance like this. So you need to justify this one, how to use the services in the modules you need to remember. So it's best to mention that one in the provided in root like that what we have mentioned in the first time. So it is better to mention like that instead of mentioning these all the things so lazy loaded. But you need to aware that mentioning a services in the share in the lazily loaded module means you need to remember that a separate instance will be created and it will be having a new instance every time. Okay, so this is the concept I need to explain you when we are defining the lazily loaded modules and all those things. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.